Hello everyone and welcome to my channel once again. This is F5 Nails for you, and if you are new to my channel, please don't forget to subscribe my channel. If you are my regular viewer and subscriber, don't forget to like and share and spread lots of love. So today I'm ready with my nails to show you new design, which is today I'm gonna do mirror chrome, which is a shiny, glossy, nice colors. And then after that, maybe I'll try some paint dripping style nail art, which I have already showed before, so you can see that one as well. And I'm gonna play with some colors today. And if you want to check out my old same video with the same design, not on the mirror chrome but the normal nail gel polish, so link is somewhere over here. You can hit the link after this video and watch the video completely if you want to. But let's begin with the mirror chrome first. Let's get started. So here I got a lot many of mirror chrome colors like silver and then dark purple, pink. Today I thought I'll make this one, pink one, and then golden color, and then blue color. So heaps of selections. I have 12 of them. I have some normal gel paints as well. So I'll start first with the base coat. So here you go. I put the base coat on every nail and then I'll cure it for 30 seconds, and then I'll go for the next step. So like this. Here we go. This is the base coat done, and I'll put this in UV lamp for 30 seconds. LED lamp for 30 seconds. If you have UV lamp, go for 120 seconds, and then you can put the paint on. So I'm gonna put black paint on top of it. So here I'm back with my base coat done. So this is my base coat done, and then I'm gonna put some black color on top of it. If you put the black color underneath of the chrome, the color will come out intense. If you put lighter color underneath the chrome, the color will not that intense. So it's completely up to you how much intense you want the color. So you can do as per your preference. I'm putting it black so that it should come out quite highly pigmented. Cover all the areas properly, saving your skin. If it by mistake, if it goes on skin, just clean it. Alright, so I'll cure this again for 30 seconds in my LED lamp. So I'm back with my black color. I'm so obsessed with it. Whenever I do it, I feel like I should leave it here. But now I have to move on. So here you go. No, not this one. I haven't chose that one. Wrong bottle. Nope, not this one. That's the pink. Yep. So here you go. And I'm using these buds you get for the makeup or in the market. So I'm start rubbing this here. Look at that, how good it is, isn't it?
Yes.
It looks so pretty. So pretty. Oh. So if you want, you can put the top coat on it, which I'm gonna put it. But after that, I will try to play with some colors as well. Ooh, beautiful. Look at this. So it's underneath I have the black color, so it come up like this. Beautiful dark pigmented pink. So I'm gonna color all the nails, and it's super easy to do. No hard work. Anyone can do, even the child can do. Yes. And look at that. So here is my pinky done with this mirror color. So now what I'm gonna do is I'll dust the excess ones and I'll put top coat on it and we'll cure for 30 seconds. There you go. That is how I put the top coat, seal the corners, yep, and cure it for 30 seconds. So here it is. It looks so good. This color is enough. We don't need to do anything else. I'm just trying some more paint color because it is requested, so just to show them how to make it that paint drip. Yes. Here you go. So I have cleaned the excess ones. If it was stuck somewhere, powder, yep, and then I'll put this color here, and I have shown this one in the previous video as well. I'm showing it again to you. Putting some drops here and there like that. Make it proper one. Like this. And then use the brush, the detail brush, and join this. So what we're gonna do, first we will put the detail brush over here. We'll put some color to cover the tip, and then I am going to make a drip. There you go. To make drip like this. And it looks very pretty. So now you need to give the proper shape that it dripped. It's not made, it's dripped. So mix it, make it round, mix it, make it round, and then mix it and make it another round in the corner. There you go. And give the detail to the dots properly. Yep. And cure it for 30 seconds. So this is my final work has been done, and on the mirror chrome I have put in these dripping polishes of different colors, 5 different colors. Hope you liked it. If you liked it, comment below and let me know what else you want to see. More designs or more art or some nail sculpting or any other gel nail polish design or plain, anything. So this is for today, and hope you like it. And if you like it, just like the channel, share the video, and subscribe the channel if you're seeing this first time. If you are not and you are the regular viewer, please support me as much as you can. So we will see you in the next video, and please follow me on Instagram too, that's FLabNails, and get lots of more photos and stories there. So bye for now, and see you in next video.